doing well. Can't wait to see you guys next week. We open back up on May 26th, which is Tuesday. But today I wanted to just do a quick video about one of my favorite things in the whole world, which is mascara. I don't know about you guys, but I have been doing my makeup pretty much every day just to make myself feel sane. I know a lot of you are working from home and you have little kids and you're like, Leanne, no, not happening. But when you do decide to wear mascara again, here's some tips for you. I like to use a primer. So I use the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. I'm not fancy. I will get stuff from the drugstore. I think you guys all know that. But I like to mix high and low. So I will get some stuff from Sephora as well. But this stuff goes on white. I put it on and I immediately go back in with my volumizing mascara, also from L'Oreal. This is the collagen boosting mascara. I've been using this for years. I just ran out of it, so I was scrounging around in my makeup bag and I found this Bare Minerals Lashtopia mascara. This is Ultimate Black. It's amazing. If you're looking for volume, this is incredible. I love this stuff. So I put this over the Voluminous Primer today. I don't know if you can see it. So my lashes are blonde and they're long, but they're really thin. So I like to build up the volume on my lashes. So I do this guy, and then I got a 5-pack of, I guess, trial size mascaras from Sephora, and it comes with a voucher. So if you like one of them, you can buy a full size of one of the 5 that comes in the pack. And I hate them all, except for this one, which is the Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home mascara. So I actually put this over the other 2 mascaras, and it has more of a kind of like comb-like brush, so it combs through like any clumps that you might have had. I love it. And this stuff really doesn't flake or give me raccoon eyes or anything like that. I don't ever touch my makeup up throughout the day. I usually don't have time at work. But that's my 3-product kind of routine that I've been doing. I really do feel like the primer is the biggest deal. You can mix whatever other mascaras you want on top of it, but I can tell the days when I don't do my primer, my lashes are just kind of like, So, those are my little tips and tricks. Can't wait to see you guys in like less than a week. Make sure you book in. I am booking up kind of fast. If you can't get in for a certain time that you wanted or a certain day, you can always DM me and I'll try and work something out with you guys. Hope everybody's doing well. Can't wait to see you.